Welcome, Grade 12 scholars, to the International Online School. Today, we are excited to explore Chapter 13 of our chemistry course, S and P Block Elements, meticulously designed according to the Federal Board of Pakistan's curriculum and standards. Let's begin with chemistry. Let's dive into Chapter 13, S and P Block Elements, an essential aspect of chemical studies. In this overview, we dive into introduction to the periodic table, periodic trends in physical properties, reactions of period 3 elements, properties and behavior of oxides, chlorides, and hydroxides, reactions of oxides and chlorides with water, trends in groups 1, 2, 4, and 7, reactions of group 1 elements, effect of heat on nitrates, carbonates, and hydrogen carbonates, reactions of group 2 elements, solubility trends in hydroxides, sulfates, and carbonates, thermal stability of nitrates and carbonates, differentiation of beryllium, reactions of group 4 elements with water, chlorides and oxides of group 4 elements, halogens as oxidizing and reducing agents, distinguishing oxides and peroxides, formation of oxides and sulfides, outermost S and P orbital system. Let's explore each of these points covered in this chapter. We'll begin with an in-depth look at the periodic table's organization, focusing on the S block, P block, D block, and F block. You'll learn about the arrangement of elements based on their electronic configurations, setting a strong foundation for further exploration. This lesson focuses on analyzing how physical properties such as atomic radius, ionization energy, electronegativity, electrical conductivity, and melting and boiling points change within a group and across a period in the periodic table. You'll explore the patterns that govern these trends and their implications. Here, you'll apply your knowledge by describing the reactions of period 3 elements with water, oxygen, and chlorine. This practical understanding will deepen your comprehension of the chemical behavior of these elements. Building on the previous lesson, you'll learn to describe the physical properties and acid-base behavior of oxides, chlorides, and hydroxides of period 3 elements. In this lesson, you'll further your understanding by describing reactions of oxides and chlorides of period 3 elements with water. This knowledge is essential for a comprehensive understanding of the chemical behavior of these compounds. We'll delve into the analysis of trends in physical properties and oxidation states within groups 1, 2, 4, and 7 of the periodic table. You'll explore the underlying patterns that govern these trends. Applying your analytical skills, you'll describe reactions of group 1 elements with water, oxygen, and chlorine. This lesson will deepen your understanding of the reactivity and behavior of alkali metals. You'll explain the effect of heat on nitrates, carbonates, and hydrogen carbonates of group 1 elements. This lesson emphasizes the practical aspects of thermal decomposition reactions. You'll describe reactions of group 2 elements with water, oxygen, and nitrogen. This practical application will enhance your understanding of the chemical behavior of alkaline earth metals. In this lesson, you'll analyze and discuss the trend in solubility of the hydroxides, sulfates, and carbonates of group 2 elements. You'll discuss the trends in the thermal stability of the nitrates and carbonates of group 2 elements. This lesson explores the relationship between the thermal properties of compounds and their structural characteristics. You'll engage in analytical thinking to differentiate beryllium from other members of its group. Understanding the unique properties and behavior of beryllium compared to other alkaline earth metals is the key focus of this lesson. This lesson shifts focus to group 4 elements, where you'll describe reactions of group 4 elements with water. Practical insights into the chemical behavior of these elements will be explored. Continuing with group 4 elements, you'll discuss the chlorides and oxides of these elements. This lesson emphasizes the practical applications of the chemical properties of compounds formed by group 4 elements. You'll explain the relative behavior of halogens as oxidizing and reducing agents and compare the acidity of hydrogen halides. In this lesson, you'll develop an understanding of the distinction between an oxide and a peroxide. You'll write representative equations for the formation of oxides and sulfides. This lesson enhances your ability to represent chemical reactions involving these compounds. The final lesson involves comparing the outermost s and p orbital system of an element with its chemical properties. This lesson connects the electronic structure of an element to its observable chemical behavior, providing a comprehensive understanding of periodic trends. With recorded lessons to go back to, easy-to-read notes, quizzes, practice tests to get you exam ready, online sessions with instructors, question forums, and live support from the International Online School team will make sure you're well prepared. Completing this course means not just achieving good grades, but excelling and aiming for A+ results. Your dedication and hard work will pave the way for success. So, let's begin with Chapter 13 and embark on this enriching journey of chemistry, crafted to ensure your success at the International Online School.